everyone, join me as I make this cake. Let me show you how I make this cake from scratch to finish. So first off, crumb coat the cake, cover it with ganache. Make sure you have sharp edges before you cover it with fondant. Next, you have to get a portion of your fondant, roll it, flatten it so you can use a cutter, a plunger that you desired. Our leaf plunger already has its own vine-like texture, but the photo that the Science sent us has a different kind of texture, so we need to manually do it ourselves to somehow emulate the kind of texture that the client wanted. Once we're done with that, we are now ready to attach the leaf on the cake. So as you can see, the stem here is a bit crooked para mura po siya realistic, since we really don't have a straight stem. So this is how it turned out. Notice the leaf, it's not entirely attached to the cake because I wanted to achieve a 3D effect. The end of the leaf is like sticking out para mura siyang na-pop out. Now it's time to paint the leaf with gold. Gloves ata para dili kayo messy ang atong trabaho. So there you have it. Paint lang. You have to be patient in doing this, and you have to make sure you don't paint other parts of the cake, otherwise messy siya lantawon. Once it's done, coffee break usata. After that, we go directly into harvesting our flowers. We usually give options to our clients if they wanted aesthetic fake flowers or they want an edible one. So as to this cake, our client wanted just fake flowers with specific color scheme. So mauna mang harvest diri sa among flower box or flower cabinet. As to the stem, we dip it with white chocolate so that this will be the ones that will be attached to the cake. So dili directly ang stem ang mo attach dito sa cake. While we wait for that to set, let's find dragées that we will be using for the cake. We needed white dragées in different sizes. This time we are going to attach the dragées in WW method or the wisik-wisik method. So wala gud ni siya specific way to do it. You just have to throw the balls or the dragées on the cake para wala lang. Wala man na siya specific placement. The more random for me, the more mas nindot siya. Now let's attach the flowers. There, let's use pink and white and different shades of pink na siya. Old rose and orangey na color sa flowers. I also have this custom formed acrylic topper that says Happy Birthday Nanay. I-attach lang siya nato sa cake. And I think that's it. Nag-add lang din ko a little acrylic leaf to balance things out. And a little white flower in front para naa siya balance. So there you have it, our flower-inspired birthday cake for our dearest Nanay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow our page, Blanche Bakes. Also, please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment. Thank you so much! Once the cake is done, it's ready to be boxed. Flexing my very supportive husband, Deary. So there, adding the stickers and the storage instructions of the cake. Thank you for watching and for sharing this reel. Thank you so much.
Blanche Bakes.